In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show hidden favorite drawing toolbar in Tradingview. If your favorite tools have disappeared from your chart, don't worry, this is a quick fix and I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can get back to drawing levels, trend lines, and annotations without interruption. First, look toward the bottom left corner of your chart. You should see a small star icon there. That star is the switch for your favorite drawing toolbar. When you click it, your favorites bar appears or hides along the edge of your chart. So if it's missing, a single click on that star will bring it right back. This is the most direct way to show or hide the toolbar. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, T here is a fast toggle you can use as well. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus H on your keyboard. On Mac, that's the Control and Option keys together with H. Make sure your chart area is active when you press it. Click once on the chart first, so Tradingview catches the shortcut. The toolbar should slide in or out instantly after that key combo. Now, what if you don't see the star at all? That usually means the main drawing panel itself is hidden. To bring it back, move over to the left-hand side of your chart and find the small drawings icon in the toolbar. It looks like the entry point for all your drawing tools. Click that icon to toggle the main drawing panel back on. Once the panel reappears, the star in the bottom left becomes visible again, and you can use it to show your favorite drawing toolbar. After that, your saved tools should display just as you left them. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth if you've just changed layouts or resized your window. Elements can shift slightly. Hover your cursor along the chart edges. If you don't spot the toolbar right away, it may be docked close to the border. Also, if your shortcut isn't working, double-check that another app isn't intercepting. Ctrl plus Alt plus H. Clicking on the chart first and trying again usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. Click the star to toggle your favorites. Use Ctrl plus Alt plus H for a quick on and off. And if the star is missing, bring back the main drawing panel using the drawings icon on the left. With your favorite drawing toolbar visible again, you can build, mark up, and review your charts with confidence.